Hey guys, it's Everymandan again. Today I'm going to kind of show you something that I'm going to make for Katie's class. She wanted me to get one of these cross cuts and sand it down clean so her kids can kind of see all the rings in it. I got this one from our sawmill that we go to get lumber, and it was kind of grimy and stuff. They gave it to us, so it wasn't in the best shape. I don't have a planer, so I'm going to use a table sander, bench sander, and I'm going to try to sand it down where we can get in to see all these. You can see I tried to do it earlier. It was real wet, so I waited for it to dry out. It got a split in it, but I think that's going to okay. It kind of adds to the character of it. So I'm going to see if I can get this sanded down where you can pick all that out real easy. Okay, now whenever you're going to be doing any sanding or anything like that, you want to make sure you're going to have some sort of dust mask or a way to keep that out. After just a little bit, it's cleaned up real nice. You can really see the lines in it. I think the kids are going to love it. It's smooth. I might wax it to give it a kind of a good color, and I might just leave it how it is. It's still got all of the stuff on the outside. The split looks real neat in it. So I think Katie's going to be happy about that.